What if the next big AI revolution doesn't come from Silicon Valley? What if it comes from China? At, at the World AI Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, one AI model became the center of attention. Its name is Kimi K3. The company behind its Moonshot AI says it has 2.8 trillion parameters and it's powerful enough to compute with model from OpenAI and Anthropic. But what does 2.8 trillion parameter really means? Does a bigger number automatically means a better AI? And why are experts around the world paying so much attention to this new model? Let's find out, and for more information, full article in description box, also our Telegram and our Facebook to connect. Gimmick 3 is a new large language model developed by Chinese company Moonshot AI. The company introduced it during one of the biggest AI events in Asia. According to Moonshot AI, Kimi K3 was built for much more than simple conference. It is designing to solve difficult engineering problem, write computer code, analyze information, and help business output complex task. This means Kimi K3 is not just another chatbot. It aims to become a professional AI assistant for developers, engineers, researchers, and computers. That is why many people immediately start comparing it with ChatGPT and Claude. The first thing everyone noticed was the number 2.8 trillion perimeters. But what are perimeters? Think, think of perimeter. Think of perimeter as a tiny pieces of knowledge inside an AI model. During training, the model adjusts billions or trillions of this value to learn language, logic, coding, mathematics, and reasons. Generally speaking, more parameter can allow an AI model to understand more complex relationship. However, the large model is not always a smart model. Training quality, the data use, the architect, and optimizing technicals are just as important. Sometimes a smaller, well-trained model can outperform a much large one. So the number alone does not tell the whole story. Moonshot AIs say Chemical 3 focus on practical work. A simply answer question for question. It aims to help people complete real tasks. For example, it can write software code, debugging programming error, helping engineering analyze document, solve technical problems, assist the researcher. The company also says the model required less human supervisor for many technical tasks. If this claim prove true, business could save both time and money. The, that makes Chemical 3 attractive for companies looking to automate complex workflow. One of the biggest surprise is that Moonshot AI plans to release Kimi K3 as an open source model. This is very difficult for companies like OpenAI and Anthropic, which mainly provided AI through cloud service. Why is open source important? Because companies run the model on their own server, customize it, improve it, keep sensitive business data inside their own infrastructure. This is especially important for banks, hospital, government, and com- large companies that cannot send confidential information to external cloud service. For many organizations, privacy is become just as important as AI model. The timing of Kimi K3 also important. The launch come after several technology restrictions between the United States and China. Large Chinese companies such as Alibaba and Tencent uh, are investing heavily in AI. Their goal is simple: build powerful AI system without depending on foreign technology. Because of this, AI is no longer just about technology. It's about also becoming part of global economic and static competition. Countries now see AI as one of the most important technology for the future. Early reports suggest that Kimi 3 performance very well in programming and engineering tasks. Same Intel benchmark even show performance close to leading Western AI model. However, there is one major challenge. Running such a huge model requires enormous computing power. That means expensive hardware, powerful GPU, large data center, and scientific energy. Even if the model is excellent, many organizations may not have the resource needed to run it efficiently. So performance is only one part of the equation. Cost matter too. Chemical 3 may represent much more than another AI model. It shows that the global AI race is becoming more competitive than ever. Today, invasion is no longer coming from just one country. Multi companies around the world are pushing AI forward. In the future, the biggest question may not be who has the largest AI model, who built the smartest model, most useful and most accessible for everyone. The AI race is so far from over, and Kimi 3 has just made it even more exacting. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI and technology updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.